without heart. In your head, you're right, but in my head, you are the bad. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. That use all my love, use all my time, use all my heart. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. To the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. What are you doing here? Cause I don't love you, boy. I wanna show to the world that you're the bad one. You always being bad. You begging me to come out with you. I don't know, I'm fine without you. You begging me to come out with you.
Wala, sir.
Ang ina mo! Gago! Woo! Para malalaglag, brad, ah! Dito kami ngayon sa Playa La Caleta. Actually, dumating kami kahapon, late na, mga 4. And ganda pala dito, cove. Tapos konti lang yung tao, as in, may isang pamilya lang tapos kami. Ganda, sobra. Saan tayo pupunta, brother?
Bro, kain tayo kasi kailangan mag-breakfast.
Sana may cup noodles naman, bro. Napanis na kasi yung kanin.
Daming kanin na panis.
Ay na, ang dami. Mas wala na kaming ulam. Cup noodle gaming. Shit! Ngayon sa restaurant, wala masyadong laman. Makikita mo yung likod. May mga pwestuhan like shit. Brother, lupit, no? May mga pwestuhan, sir. May marmol pa na. Of course, right? Tapos nasa ilalim ka ng coconut trees. Solid, ah.
Alin mo? Dalawang breakfast. Opo, additional na lang isang ganito daw po.
Solid, brother.
Itong pagkain.
natin ngayon gigibayin yung tent na.
Tingnan natin yung cup, sunod tong mga nails.
Ah, ganun
Tapos
ha.
yan. Bia!
Ano po, sir? Hindi tayo marunong.
Kuya!
Okay, tangina mo. Baklasin mo yan, gago. Hindi po kami marunong ng mga ganitong shit.
Housekeeping!
Wala housekeeping, sir.
Alright, uwi na. Kung ano, sige mamaya. Uwi na! Puta, parang namasakar kami dito ng ano, namasakar kami sa Playa La Caleta, puta.
Bro, pakita mo yung bangka natin, sir.
Solo na naman namin, tangin ang mahal-mahal nitong parang taxi sa Maynila. Right, so uwi na kami. It's been a while. It's been a while lang puta. Bye guys. Peace out.
Wala ng aking masalayan, tinataglay mong kagandahan. Di na maawa ang puso, sa'yo ay magmahal. Laman ka ng puso't isipan, di na kita maiiwasan. Pag-ibig ko sana'y pagbigyan. Bakit ba ikaw ang naisip ko at di na mawala-wala? Maybe she's found another, as I cry myself to sleep. I know this love of mine keep ocean deep. Let's go! Precious